is Riley. I'm from the Young Williams behavior team. Here we work with a lot of the dogs who have some behavioral needs to become adoptable. We try to work with all of the dogs that come through, whether they're fearful and just need some socialization, or whether they have some behavioral needs, whether it's they don't get along with other dogs or some barrier reactivity, resource guarding. We try to find that stuff out and give them everything that they need to be successful. We try to do everything we can to find them the perfect fit. We believe every dog is adoptable and they all deserve a second chance. So we try to do everything we can to work with them. We are always here to help adopters find the perfect match for them based off of what they're looking for and based off of dogs' behavioral needs. The behavior team is also always here to support adopters if they do have special behavioral issues once they do take a dog home. We are always happy to help. We've had lots of adopters come in after they adopt, and our team is always happy to come work with them and do special training sessions with them, give them tips, resources. The shelter itself provides lots of resources for dogs with behavioral needs. We do lots of training with positive reinforcement. We help adopters with enrichment. Sometimes we send our dogs to foster homes so that foster parents can work with them. Some dogs need foster homes to work on socialization, separation anxiety, any issues like that. We have lots of great foster parents who work with us. For any behavior assistance, For any behavioral assistance, feel free to send an email to our Pet Resource Center. Their address is pethelp@young-williams.org. You can also contact the behavior team if you do have behavioral issues with pets that you adopted from here. The behavior team can be reached at behavior@young-williams.org.